स्वागत है आपका शॉर्ट हैंडियंस गॉट इट चैनल पर। वीडियोस अगर पसंद आ जाएं तो लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा। लेटेस्ट डिक्टेशन और जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन प्रेस कर दीजिएगा ताकि आपको टाइम पे आपकी डिक्टेशंस मिल सकें। थैंक यू सो मच।
The instant appeal has been filed by the insurance company for assailing the award dated 9/11/2020 passed by the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal in short the Tribunal Chandigarh, whereby the tribunal had awarded an amount of rupees 21,600 along with interest and benefits as specified in the award on account of injuries suffered by respondent number 1 claimant in the accident involving car insured by the present appellant insurance company para. Brief facts as mentioned in the award passed by the tribunal are that on 17/3/2018 the respondent claimant along with others was going from Jawalji Himachal Pradesh out to district Bhind Madhya Pradesh in a car bearing registration number MP30C 4426, which was being driven by one Vikas Sharma, who is respondent number 2 in the present appeal, at fast speed and in a rash and negligent manner. At about 3:30 am, when they reached near Shahpur Light Point, Chandigarh, then an unknown truck came at fast speed from their left side and struck against the car and fled away after causing the accident. As a result of the accident, all the occupants of the car received serious injuries and they were taken to the hospital by a police vehicle. At the hospital, respondent number 1 claimant was given treatment. However, in the accident he had suffered permanent physical disability to the extent of 50%. The said disability has been duly certified by the doctor. With these assertions, the claimant filed a claim petition asserting therein that the claimant was working as a labourer and was earning rupees 15,000 per month. Now he has been rendered disabled for doing any work. Para. Accordingly, a compensation of rupees 50 lakhs along with 20% interest was claimed by claimant respondent number 1 para. On being put to notice, the driver and owner of the car appeared and filed their written statement stating therein that the accident had taken place due to rash and negligent driving of the driver of unknown truck, against whom FIR number 113 dated 17/3/2018 was registered under sections 279 and 337 IPC at police station sector 39 Chandigarh by the driver of the car. The appellant insurance company filed a separate written statement and asserted therein that the car in question was being driven in violation of insurance policy. The driver was not having a valid and effective driving license on the date of accident. Other assertions made in the claim petition were also denied by the appellant insurance company. Para. To prove the case before the tribunal, the claimant respondent number 1 had examined Vinod Kumar Srivastav, the eyewitness who happens to be occupant of the offending car. Besides this, Other witnesses were also examined and the claimant also appeared as a witness, full stop. The medical evidence regarding the disability of respondent number 1 was also brought on record, full stop. The doctor who treated them was also examined as PW5, full stop. Along with the above said evidence, the claimant had placed on record the medical bills and other documents relating to the personal identity and credential of the claimant, full stop, over. तो दोस्तों ये 110 की से थोड़ा ज़्यादा या 1-2 वर्ड्स पर मिनट ज़्यादा की स्पीड से डिक्टेशन हो गया है ये सीनियर स्केल के लिए, ठीक है। इसको लीजिए और बताइए कैसा लगा और मिस्टेक्स बताइएगा और जो बोला जाए उसको लिख दीजिए, ठीक है। मान लीजिए कि अगर गलत भी बोल क्या गया, अब कोई जानबूझ के गलत तो बोलता नहीं है। अब फ्लो में अगर एक आध वर्ड इधर से ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है ना, तो वो ठीक है, वो हमारी मिस्टेक है, लेकिन हमने डिक्टेशन दिया है तो मतलब आपको वही लिखना है, ठीक है। अब इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि वो मिसमैच हो रहा है तो मतलब गलत हो गया है। अब क्या एग्जामिनर से कोई गलती नहीं हो सकती है। अगर उसने लाइव डिक्टेशन गलत दे दिया है, कुछ कह दिया, तो आपको वही लिख के ट्रांसक्राइब करना है जो उसने कहा है। अपने से अभी दिमाग अपना नहीं लगाना, ठीक है। ये दिमाग कब लगता है? नौकरी लिखने के बाद। जब नौकरी लग जाती है तब अपना दिमाग लगाया जाता है सही या गलत लिख देने के लिए, ओके। तो चलिए फिर चलते हैं, मिलेंगे अगली डिक्टेशन में। थैंक यू सो मच। डिक्टेशन लीजिए, तैयारी कीजिए और लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करते जाइएगा, ओके। कमेंट दीजिएगा और कमेंट का आंसर भी करेंगे हम। और जो नहीं कर पाते हैं वो ये ना सोचें कि कमेंट का आंसर नहीं करते हैं, कमेंट आप करिए, हम आंसर देंगे। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय। और जिनका पीए, पटना के पीए में जिनका हो गया है, उन सबको ढेर सारी बधाइयाँ हैं। अब अगले एग्ज़ाम की तैयारी कीजिए और जल्दी से ज्वाइनिंग करके कमेंट सेक्शन में बताइए किसकी ज्वाइनिंग होने वाली है, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच, बाय बाय।